In a previous video in this playlist, I went ahead and showed you how to use headers. If I click on page layout, then it shows the header that I added. So if you missed that, you can go ahead and check it out in this playlist. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add in a footer. In order to do that, I need to click on Insert and click on Header and Footer. And we get this new Design tab that shows up at the top. I'm going to choose Footer, and I've got lots of different options here. I'm going to choose Page 1 at the footer, and if I click on it, I can see 3 different boxes that I can add in, such as custom information. So I'll put what I put at the top. The name of the company is The Awesome Company. And on the right-hand side, I'm going to choose something different. I'm going to go back to my Design tab, and I have lots of different things that I can add in. So I'll add in the current time, for instance. And I'll click away, and we can see the current time shows up, and it shows up on our other pages as well. And we go back into View and choose Normal. We don't see the header and footer, but we know that the header and footer is going to exist because we can go to File, and then we can go to Print, and we can see our headers and footers are showing up in the print preview. So when we're working on the document, we're not going to see it. But when we save the document and we go to show it later on, it is going to show headers and footers, and it will also print that information as well. So that's how we add in a footer in Microsoft Excel.